Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Facebook video autoplay on our device. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We go to Facebook, after which we go to the lower right corner or to the upper right corner depending on the location. Then go down, Settings and Privacy. We go into Settings, go down below, and in the Preferences section, we find the Media tab. We go here, and here we see such a tab as Autoplay. Initially, you will have on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can make the video automatically turn on only on Wi-Fi. You can also set it so that the video never turns on by itself. There are also two sliders. The first one is video starts with sound. So if you want it to start with sound, then turn it on. If you don't want it, then turn it off. And also with stories. If you want the story with sound to be immediately, then you need to turn it on. If you don't want it, then you need to turn off the checkbox. That's all. Let's check. Go in and let's have a look. You see, the video did not load immediately. That is, it did not turn on. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.